Hello, here we're presenting the DocuSign automation demo from the user's perspective. The process is very straightforward by checking the checkbox, whereas here the automation is triggered at make where the magic happens using the DocuSign API. And finally sending the DocuSign document to the recipient's email. As you can see, here is the email was received at the user's side. And now we will open the email. This is how the automated email will look like at the user's inbox. Okay. Now let's open the document so we can sign the document as the user will be doing. As you can see, the fields are filled out, and at the bottom of the document, you will find the signing field for the user. Thank you.